All right, we're here today. We are going to put in a little doggy door. We've just purchased this house for an investment property. We are going to allow pets, so what we're going to do is we're going to put a doggy door in this back door. So they're allowed to have pets up to 35 pounds, but you'll probably be able to squeeze one through that's about 50, and that's fine. So we're going to cut a hole. We're going to take this door down, cut a hole in it, and see how fast we can get this done. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pull this door off just to make it a little bit easier. All right, so to pull the door, we're just going to get these pins started out, hopefully. That's coming out easy, I can tell. It's getting kind of late on us, so we're trying to hurry. We just got this in from Amazon. We'll put a link in the description. At the time we purchased this, it was under $40, and it's got a nice magnetic catch on the bottom, so it's gonna be pretty weather tight. We've got something like this at home, and we really like it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and mark this the best I can. Trying to get it right in the center. And I'm kind of using these door panels to figure that out. And that looks good right there. So yeah, I'm gonna have to have a line to cut against. And I'm gonna look at this thing. I think I'm gonna have to actually cut outside this line slightly. I'm looking at this and see how these screw holes are on the, I marked with the inner part of this, so the screw holes are on the outside, so those will have to go through the hole. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come right over here outside the corner and start my hole. So far, we're probably not in it much more than 5 minutes. You can cut this with a jigsaw, whatever. I like using this cutoff blade, but you can see here I'm using this without a guard, so definitely need full face protection when doing that. If you're doing this on a wood door, it'd be very similar. I'd probably use a circular saw and plunge down, or what would be really even easier is drilling holes if you have a jigsaw and just cutting it out. So wood door or steel door, they're both pretty easy. So and a very similar process, just possibly different tools. All right, just gonna get rid of any little bit of insulation that's in here. Okay, we've got an inside and outside. So your inside will come with this piece right here, so you can slide it in. You want that piece on the inside. So that can cut off access to the dog or whatever. So that in there. Make sure I can see all 4 of my holes at the same time. It's close, it's gonna be tight, that's good. Okay, so, yes, we're gonna flip this over. So we'll put this in here, we'll flip it around, and then the screws will go in from the inside. That way you can't uninstall the doggy door from the outside of the house. As I put this door back in, what I would really like to hear from you guys in the comments is what you think about taking the door off. Is that something you would have thought of? Is that something you think is a good idea? I mean, it will be a little bit harder to put back on than they were to take off, but I'm here doing it by myself, so it's not too bad. All right, how long? 20 minutes. 20 minutes from start to finish. Doggy door is ready to go. There we go, latch it. All right, so there we have it, 20 minutes. If you have $40 and 20 minutes and a couple tools, you can give your dog the freedom to come and go while you're at work on their own. And you know, we all get stuck at work for a little too long or whatever, and we've all been guilty of leaving the dog in the home a little longer than you'd rather. So this is an excellent option if you don't have a full glass back door. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe and put some comments below and give us a like. Thanks a lot.